Today's recipe is very special to my heart as this recipe is a qualifying recipe which I prepared during MasterChef 2 2011. After preparing this recipe, I qualify for top 50. So thought to share with you this recipe today. This chicken rezala is a delicious and flavorful chicken curry which features succulent chicken marinated in yogurt, whole spices, cashew, and aromatics. Chicken marinated and cooked gently lends a dish that strokes every palate. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe, and first of all check the ingredients. And the ingredients are first of all the whole spices, bay leaf, black pepper whole, green cardamom, cloves, red chili whole, cinnamon stick, and mace. With that, clarified butter, refined oil, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, onion paste, kesar, green chili, poppy seed, sugar, black pepper, cashew, and salt. And finally, our lovely chicken with bones. In this recipe, you need to make the pieces little big. Now, to start with, we will make a paste of poppy seed and cashew with that green chilies. Over here, I am using 1 tablespoon of poppy seed, 8 to 10 cashew, and 3 to 4 green chilies. Make a fine paste and keep aside. On the other side, now let us take chicken with bones. Over here I am using 1.5 kilo, though you can add or deduct chicken according to your need. First of all, wash the chicken nicely and then take it into a mixing bowl. After that, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, then add salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 3 tablespoons of poppy seed and cashew paste with that green chili. Now add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Finally, mix everything well with your hand and then marinate it for 30 minutes before cooking it further. Though after mixing it with your hand, then add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and few streaks of kesar and then cover and marinate it for 30 minutes. Next, in a thick bottom pot, add 2 tablespoons of refined oil and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. And once the oil heat up, add the whole spices, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamom, few black pepper whole, cloves, 1 mace, and 3 to 4 small cinnamon stick with that red chili whole. And once this turns aromatic or release the aroma, then add 1 teaspoon of the remaining ginger garlic paste, stir it well. After cooking the ginger garlic paste for 1 to 2 minutes, then add 500 grams of onion paste. As in this recipe, my chicken quantity is 1.5 kilo, so I am using half kilo onion paste. Stir it for 3 to 4 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. After that, cook on a medium heat till the onion paste turns light brown. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, again stir it well, then add the marinated chicken along with the marinade to the pan. And once you added the marinated chicken into the pan, then mix everything well so the onion are well coated with the chicken. Then cover the lid and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. But don't forget to open and stir in between once or twice to avoid it from sticking at the bottom. But do you know that in restaurants, chicken rezala is still an undermined dish, meaning it has not reached and cult status that tandoors and butter masala have. However, if you have tasted it once, you could prefer it order again. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the lid and stir it well. You can see moisture already start to release from the chicken. So quickly give a good stir and then cover and cook again further. For this recipe, I can guarantee you, if you try it once, it will be a regular course. As from my experience, I can share it. After that, remove the lid and check the chicken tenderness. At this point of time, we will see lot of moisture is released from the chicken. Give a good stir and then check the tenderness of the chicken. After that, you need to cook further. But before, add 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of Kewra water from top. Then cover and cook until our chicken is tender. One important things I want to suggest in this recipe too, that you need to choose the right pepper for your chicken risotto. In this recipe I used black pepper. Though if you have white pepper, of course it will be a great choice, or else sometimes your chicken Rezela can be in a darker side. So avoid black pepper powder, instead of it use white pepper. Finally, you can see our oil has released at the top. Our chicken is looking marvelous and it's tender too. At this point of time, switch off the flame and finally serve in a serving plate and enjoy this with your friends and family. The Rezala is such an easy recipe and this creamy, flavorful curry ready in no time. The use of nuts creates the most luxurious texture without feeling too rich or heavy. It is so fragrant and beautifully balanced, inspiring a crowd pleasure no matter the size of audience. So if you like today's beautiful recipe, which is very near to my heart and a special one too, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.